In the ever-evolving world of public safety, achieving a shared consciousness is crucial for mission success. Introducing the ATAK for UAS Operations Course. Join us for an intensive 2-day workshop designed for public safety professionals. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, learn how to enhance situational awareness and operational effectiveness using the Android Team Awareness Kit and small unmanned aircraft systems. You will master essential functions, advanced settings, and real-time data sharing, all while applying your skills in simulated scenarios. Spaces are limited. Empower your mission and reserve your seat now. Elevate your capabilities with ATAK for UAS. Transform how you view the incident and connect with your team.